Hey everyone, welcome to the new Transport Evolved studio. If you've been watching the channel, you're probably fed up with these videos by now, but don't worry because you're about to see a very quick ride around the block that I did about 3 or 4 weeks ago on the Niro SRF electric motorbike. Yes, I finally got my hands on one. It was just a very quick ride around the block, but that's okay because I've been promised a longer loaner very soon. So watch the video, I hope you enjoy it, and as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Support us using the links below, and I'll see you soon. Keep evolving. So a couple of weeks ago, we rode the Energica Esse Esse 9 and we loved it. And we said we wanted to have a go on the Niro SRF, which is the latest and greatest electric motorcycle from Niro. And guess what? I'm riding the Niro SRF. Now this is not an official review because unfortunately I haven't got this on review. I've just got it borrowed because there's a press day going on right now at the local motorcycle dealer and they have been kind enough to let me have a little bit of a play. And I've got to say, it's a really nice bike. I'm really enjoying it. It's much lighter than the Energica Esse Esse 9, like streets ahead in terms of weight, and it feels like it's got a better power to weight ratio. I mean, I can't promise that that's the case, but it certainly feels that way. This bike really shifts when you want it to, and that's fantastic because, to be honest, the Esse Esse 9's biggest letdown was its weight and its charging, and these are two things that Niro have fixed. In fact, Niro have solved because they didn't have a problem to begin with the SRF. This is about 2/3 the weight of the Esse Esse 9, and rather than be a big Italian superbike, this is a fantastic California built inspired ride. It is not as small as most Niros. It feels much more like a grown-up big bike than anything else I've ridden from the Niro range. And it just shifts. It really just shifts. I just came out of that and opened the throttle up a bit, and you can already see, you can just lean the bike over and it behaves itself. And this is just incredible. So I'm hoping to get this on loan at some point. So we'll see when it's next going to be giving me a chance to have a ride. So thank you to Motorbike for letting me borrow this. And thanks to Niro for hooking me up with a quick ride.